Hi guys, UGC have issued the new calendar for the 2021 batch for the new students. So all the BCom, BMS, everyone, even MBAs have to follow this calendar. So there might be a small changes. For example, IIMs are deemed are autonomous, so maybe they conduct their own thing. I made a video yesterday about IIMs planning to starting their program in July. But this is suggesting a new thing altogether. So let's look at the Times of India news today. So this was a recommendation which I made a video earlier. Now this is the same thing have been now followed. For the old student, second year, third year student, the college will start from August 1. So August 1 is the date where the new session will start for the old student. But for the new students, new joining and everyone, the September 1 is a date they are expecting. So CAT wala ke liye, it might be a huge delay if they follow the same thing. FMS, MDI, all the autonomous college, like Narsee Monjee is an autonomous college. And they might conduct the session earlier, online obviously, might start earlier. But UGC, all the government colleges have to start from September 1. Now, Bajaj used to start from August 1. CET session used to start from August 1. CET session now might start from September 1. Yeah, so there's a 1 month delay in that. So which is obviously understandable because of all the things which are there. Yeah, so this is a guideline which are because of coronavirus and all. And they said to conduct the exam with a shorter duration. Instead of 3 hours exam, let's take a 2 hours exam. Go for the online module as well. So a lot of things they have talked about. Main thing for us is a September as a date for the college to start. So they've given us the complete table here. I'll just walk you through the table. Because one of the students just asked me today, he's in second year, sir, mera college kab chalu hoga? Bhai, to talk to your college, which college you are from, depend on all of things. So admission process will complete in August. That is for all of them. So CAT being autonomous will happen separate. CET might follow the same thing as well. Yeah, commencement of the classes for fresher second year batch is 1st of August. New year first year batch is 1st of September. Conduct of the exam will be from in January 1 to 25th. Then even semester start from 27th of Jan. Dispersal of the classes in March 2021. So everything will become on time for everything else. Then conducting of the exams, summer vacations in July next year, and next academic session in start in August again. Yeah, second year MBA will start in August 2021. Now a lot of colleges are facing the problem of when to have their how to conduct the exam. I got a call from one of the teachers, one of the faculty who is one of my friend as well in a top B school. So he was telling me the same thing. I'll make a separate video for that because most of the colleges are now struggling how to conduct the exam. Yeah, so asking me for any idea how to conduct the exam for everyone. So anyway, I'll talk about this in a separate video. But this is the news we have as of now. So second year student will have the college from August 1 and new batch will start from September 1. This is the UGC calendar for 2021 session 2021 batch. All right. In the description box, I given the link. So everything is will happen on time. If the coronavirus continues, so maybe things will go online. Everything will go online. And so CAT, CET exam, next year exam will happen on time. We are just delayed by 1 month. Yeah, but I doubt there will be a delay in the exam because the process for that will start immediately once this admission process is over. All right, all the best.